A Premier Local Weather Alerts application for Android is designed to deliver timely and accurate weather information tailored to the user's specific location. This app typically provides real-time alerts for severe weather conditions, such as thunderstorms, tornadoes, and heavy snowfall, ensuring users are prepared for any potential hazards. The app features a user-friendly interface that displays current weather conditions, hourly forecasts, and extended daily forecasts. Users can receive personalized notifications based on their preferences, allowing them to stay informed about important weather events. Additionally, many of these applications include interactive radar maps, enabling users to visualize weather patterns and track storms in real time. Some applications may also offer additional features, such as air quality information, sunrise and sunset times, and detailed insights into humidity and wind conditions. Overall, this type of application is essential for anyone looking to stay updated on local weather, enhancing safety and planning for daily activities.